had a life of its own. Wow, see what we've accomplished? We're correcting every time he's running away, and we're praising every time he's staying. So he's choosing not to walk away anymore. Wow, good job. He's like, do you have to do it in front of the other dogs? This is humiliating. That recall. See? So now he's going to try to offer other behaviors. He'll say, well, what if I down? I'll down instead, as long as I don't have to come to you. Good job. Look at that. Amazing work, Josh. Put this on repeat. He's not going to be scared of the dryer anymore. He's realizing it's not hurting him. So what he thought he was running from made no sense. Good boy.
But he goes into panic.
Yeah, very easily.
And so once he's in panic, if you can't snap him out of it, or at least have him hold still to experience the thing, he's going to stay there.
Yeah.
And that'll be the belief. And you could see he already had a past association to it, right? Because
as soon as you brought it out, he ran away. Yeah.
Right. It started with this, which is panting. It's not hot. Those dogs aren't panting. This is just stress because he's being told to stay here, and he'd rather have his options to run away. So we have the wheels turning, right? So, which we'll be correcting.
Yeah.
Right now, I just want to make sure.
It's better than at the vet. She sent me that picture at the vet. He pooped all over the table.
Who's on the table?
Yep. Good job.
Free.
Good job. Shake it off. That's a great sign. What do you think when you see a dog shake it off like that?
Yeah, they're relieving stress.
Yes. Good job. He's so proud of himself too. Look at his body language. He's like, I just did something really good.
Good.
Nice job.
Well, 30 minutes ago, he was correcting her over food.
Yep.
Being tough,
Yep.
right? And then the air dryer comes out and she's not afraid of it at all. And he's now being a big.
That's a really good point.
Right? So, he's not a tough guy.
That is such an interesting point that he's trying to act all big and tough around these dogs and snarl at them and bite them and stuff.
Yeah,
but he literally wants to run away from everything.
Yeah.
He is not
That's why
fit to lead or correct another living
That's
being.
why he's unstable. Because
Yes.
he's trying to be in the top position.
Yeah.
If he knocks that off, he's bad at my job. If
Yeah.
he knocks that off and follows and goes down in the hierarchy, he'll be where he belongs and he'll be
He'll
stable.
feel better.
He won't
Yeah.
have to be making choices. He won't be having to try to be dominant. He's not. He's gonna get his butt kicked if he tries that with the wrong dog,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And in an average pack, he is not going to get away with that.
Is he trying to suck up the Riggins? Nice job.